located along the line extent. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located near Lake Carl Blackwell, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include extreme damaging winds in excess of 90 miles an hour, large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perkins, Langston, Yell, Morrison, Glencoe, Ripley, Coyle, Lake Carl Blackwell, Lake McMurtry, and Ingalls. Extremely damaging winds are expected. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building if a tornado approaches.